fight and misbehave. Had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass the time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
What's that? I can't hear you. Nah, I'm just fucking with ya.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact, give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's name, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes, it makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I won't obey. You cannot tell me what I cannot say. I'm here to last, so yeah, I'm here to stay. I'll live each second like my final day. You can't take that away. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium
beautiful cell setup if it was, not news and London.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just
Yeah.
wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the black. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. So tell me, oh, will you believe? 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 I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired at first, when it's third verse. The lies you go disperse, you never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want.
All right, good morning, everyone. How you guys doing? Happy Friday to you all. Just give me a second here, guys. Good morning, Kimali. Let's have some music going here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yep, GJ ripped after nails. Yeah. Yeah, this 4-hour demand should hold all the previous resistance. Oh, we got another singer in the chat in Zoom.
Oh, who's that?
I thought Bonnie Savage was the only singer we had. Looks like we got someone else. What's up, YouTube? How you guys feeling today? How you guys feeling today? Oh yeah, you better know it, Al. I'm ready for war. I came ready for this markets today. That's why my
YouTube.
That's why my sweater is camouflage. I'm ready for
YouTube,
war.
you should have seen Abe yesterday during New York. The dude went full margin on NAS and killed it.
What? Point of correction. Full margin by accident. That was an accidental full margin trade. Yes, for sure, Kimale. Like, even if you're feeling like your finances are not, where you want it to be at yet. I mean, you still have something to be grateful for, which is, you having good health and the fact that you're still alive, you're still here. When there's life, there's hope. No life, no hope. Shout out to Edwin. You had that, Edwin?
Man, I thought only the girls got shout outs from YouTube.
Well, Faye's currently away. Red lady, I don't know when she's coming back. And the other girls are quiet, they don't speak. Yeah, this demand is not gonna hold. See if the 4-hour demand will hold though. That should hold all these previous 4-hour resistance. I said, what about Pink Lady? We never had a Pink Lady. Maybe that's someone else's stream, not on my stream. Come on, guys, these guys are helping us. Smash that like button. Let's get the likes up. I don't know why I don't like this song. You smoking at apples and bananas by cookies? No, never had that before. Why do I smoke? I just like smoking, I guess. And also when I'm stressed for whatever reason, I just smoke it off. And also when I'm trading, it helps me stay calm, I guess. This kind of closes in 3 minutes. We'll see how we close this here. Do I do I only smoke weed? Yep, I smoke weed and I vape. Vaping is what I really need to stop doing. I need to stop vaping. I've been saying that for a while now, but I still find myself doing it. I already smoke weed. I don't need to vape too. And vaping is definitely bad. Vaping is bad for you. Bad for me too. Weed is good for you, so if you're gonna smoke anything, make sure it's weed. Not vaping, not cigarettes. Shit, not even cigars. Cigars is okay, and I smoke that too, but only on like special occasions. Or maybe I go to like a cigar bar or something then. I mean, I'm only going there for one thing, just to freaking smoke cigar.
What's the difference with a cigar?
I think it's pure tobacco.
Okay, what's that do?
Shit. It doesn't do nothing. It doesn't get me high. It doesn't keep me calm. It doesn't do nothing.
Okay.
But I'll say this though. The first time I tried the cigar, I felt lightheaded.
Oh.
Yeah, I felt lightheaded. But then also I had to look for the one that actually suits me better, because they have different kinds.
Oh, the famous Cuban cigar?
Maybe. It's just like weed, how they have, different THC percentage. So some people, they can handle maybe like 25% THC. They just can't handle, that's like too much. Then you got to go down to like 15 or maybe even 10%. And you should be able to handle that. Cuban cigar club to open online. Cigars make you feel like I know? No, it doesn't make me feel like that. It doesn't make me feel like that. So guys, the next giveaway with funded NAS is gonna be on Monday. So make sure you're here on Monday if you would like to win. The two people that won on Wednesday, they already got their accounts. Hopefully they pass. So what I'm looking for with GJ is because we're bullish on a higher time frame, right? So it's either we come right here to this demand reject or come to this forward demand, because I don't think this first demand is going to hold. I'm expecting this demand to hold though, or the previous 4-hour high, which is over here, for us to push back up. So that is what I am looking for here on GJ until a sell opportunity presents itself. And gold, as far as gold goes, I'm looking for something like this. We break this high, we pull back to take the buys, and if we do reject this resistance here, then I'm going to wait for this minor support to be broken. Right, once it's broken, get a retest to take the continuation. This demand can hold, but if we do have a retest, I don't think we're going to push back up from here. We're either going to come back to this previous resistance or come back down to the next demand and then push back up from there. Because we all know gold is bullish, so you got long-term buys and short-term sells. The news is definitely pushing GJ down here.
I think I let my guard down. Certain things ain't the same now. Hard to navigate these problems. I'm by myself, you're
Oh shit. Damn. Ooh, it's about to set my freaking carpet on fire. Oh man. How many people lives in Houston here? If you live in Houston, Richmond, Katy, Sugarland, put a 1 in the chat. We're at a forward demand right now. You don't trade gold yet. You trade WTI. Is that crude oil? Really, Dre? Abulagba. We don't get that one here for Houston. You go catch flight before you reach that one. We got like 7 more minutes for London Open here, guys.
Buzzing in the mood, sending something in the nude, that's your best work. Left with the feels, right or wrong. You know I keep it black and white with you like ref shirt. Why are we typing? I'd rather FaceTime. You know I like it, but I don't wanna waste time. Answer with your waistlines, taking up the whole can. Whoa, damn. Caught staring my attention, yeah, you own that. Talk to me, love that sound. You know the lock screen, the only time I'll keep you in the background. Either me or you got a pack now. I could come to you or book you a ticket, I'll put the cash down. Lay away, exhausted but we stay up talking till we falling asleep, yeah. Would you mind if I walk through your dream? Two separate time zones, either way we going all night long.
Did we tap this here though? Oh yeah, we tapped it. WTI more stable than gold to hold. How long have you guys been trading? How long have you guys been trading, chat?
My God, can't take my eye off you. Can't take my eye off you. God, don't got nothing on you. Don't got
Oh man, sorry, damn, I forgot to put this chat thing out.
for something I have been.
In 30 minutes, red folder. Wait, hold on a minute. No, there's no more news. The New York session, we have orange folder. No more news for London. Oh, orange folder, yeah. Well, that ain't gonna do nothing. That's not doing nothing. Oh damn, 6 months for you, Tal. Oh yeah, you're still new. You've not even started to crawl yet. You're still new. 1 year, Abel. You've been trading for 5 years. How has it been for you, David? Ooh, 2 months? Man, you're not ripe yet. What do you mean you get less discount? You get 8% if you use my coupon code. Oh, nice one, David. That's what I like to hear, man. Investing has 3 stars. Oh, I don't even have my investing tab out today.
Those 2 stars on investing for me.
Are you looking at today's date?
Yeah. The Lagarde guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, well. Could have been said it's 3 stars. I don't know.
Nah, it's 2 stars for me.
Oh, he said in 2 hours. In 2 hours. Yeah. Not the one that's 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh, that's more than enough time. Shit, if we freaking have volume. There could be a buy coming here, possibly. Oh,
London about to open.
gold is flying. Oh, if gold is flying, that means I don't even have it set up yet. You've been trading for 1 year and 10 months. Oh wow, that's not actually nice, because you're not doing bad. We need gold to break above here, man. Somebody said gold is flying. Gold is not flying.
told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. I came up from the bottom, now look at me now, they mad at me. I cannot slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Yeah, ooh, I'm moving faster than lightning. I can't close on my eyes, too excited. It's the fruit of what you get for trying. Don't be selling no more, I'm just buying. I got two of everything that you eyeing. Put my boots on and turn me a giant. It's a fact, end up a victim or a tyrant. Nobody did it like this, nobody ever. Told myself it would get better. Wrote it and meant every letter. Now we flood the city, it's never been wetter. She want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. I came up from the bottom, now look at me now, they mad at me. I cannot slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me.
This candle has no top wick, so there is a chance we could flip right at this demand.
Taking the words from me, it's like I forget to speak. You're stuck in a circle of thoughts, and I couldn't stand to believe it. And I do no wrong, I just leave it. She likes to change with the seasons. She likes to change with the seasons. Be myself and I bring. We don't see the same no more. Always switching on the road. I swear that I've been here before.
Well, the circle is flying down. You guys are tripping. Oh, am I on a funded NAS challenge? Yes, I am. Oh, okay, I see what you're talking about, Adrian. Yeah, they're currently running a promotion too. Like, even if you use my link, you don't have to use my code. You can just use that other code since you get to save more for now, at least until their promotion is over. Man, TFF, I don't know about that problem.
Stuck in a circle of thoughts. Just give me your therapy. And I couldn't stand to believe it. And I do no wrong, I just leave it. She likes to change with the seasons. She likes to change with the seasons. And now she done it. Bun up, it's like this all summer. Thinking words that you cannot mutter. What up, she a full-time stunner. And now she done
You need $250 to pass your challenge. I mean, you might get it today. You never know. Okay. Yeah, TFF. Yep. Yep. Too long. Well, you have a challenge with account with them. Kill a bit. Oh boy. I hope. I hope they pay, because I know you will definitely pass. Yep, Patrick. But then again, this is a 4-hour demand. It's not even the 1 hour. The 1 hour will look like this. So right now, we are tapping the 1 hour. Technically, it's still the 4, but just to make your chart cleaner, can use the 1 hour. And if it breaks, if it breaks and closes below 186, 100, we might continue down, or we could grab liquidity below that 4-hour demand before we push up. But if this candle flips, right, which means breaks above this previous candle, not below, breaks above this previous candle, then breaks above this previous candle also, and then this candle will flip obviously, and then start crossing the previous candle. Yeah, we should push up. We should push up, and this candle definitely should close bullish if this candle flips. Shit, I'm gonna have to use with 23 pip stop loss here. Good morning, Leah. Good morning, Casper. Man, just Casper, just use a Hanko trade or sway. You're welcome, Andy. And you should be able to make a deposit via crypto. I asked a question earlier, YouTube. I said, how many of you, if you live in Houston or surrounding areas like Sugar Land, Richmond, Houston, of course, Katy, if you live in any of the cities, just put a 1 in the chat. Even Cypress Springs, yeah. Forex were a good broker. They're decent. I mean, they claim to be regulated, but they're not regulated in the United States. But I guess they are regulated. Yeah, I mean, they're still regulated regardless. I mean, they just make it hard for us here in the United States. Like the regulated United States Forex brokers is Forex.com. I think FXCM also was. I can't remember, but FXCM, I think they went down because of the issue they have with the government. So it's just Wanda and Forex.com, and the leverage is just so low. The leverage is so low, it's like 1 to 50. That's too low. It just makes no sense. You're from Trinidad and Tobago. How do you start with fundedness? I mean, just click the link in the description and use my coupon code. It's that simple. Do I ever go tapping the 15-minute demand? Actually, yes, because it's a high probability demand there, and we're also bullish as well. And also we do have a 30-minute demand there also, and also a previous resistance that got broken. So yeah, I do see that happening. And if we break through it, then this 1 hour demand / 15-minute demand here should hold, because when we started the move to the downside here, when we created this higher low here, we created another higher low right here. So this minor resistance or this higher low, previous higher low / demand should hold for us to start to push back up. And if we break above, obviously we should continue. I just talked about gold. What do I think about fundedness? Fundedness is cool. Just check out their reviews on Trustpilot. And check out their Discord. They pay out. And they have thousands of funded traders. So they have about, I think, almost 30K funded traders. And they've paid out almost 80 million. So, I mean, that's good. if you ask me what I just said about fundedness, if you ask me about TFF, I can't even respond to you like that because I don't know. That's one of the reasons why I can't promote them anymore. I can't associate my brand with that. I'm not gonna be like, oh, you know what, shit, I'm gonna just do it anyways because you guys are gonna pay me, and then my audience will be over here suffering because you guys are doing some shady stuff. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna put my audience through that just simply because I'm trying to make some money on the side. Shit, I wouldn't even be able to sleep at night if I did that. I'm too God-fearing to do stuff like that. Because there's something called karma. Okay? There's something called karma and it's real. Alright, GJ, if you want to push up, just freaking push up. It's time, Gold. I said Gold. Damn, I meant to say GJ. You thank God Wild didn't hear me.
Oh, I heard you.
Now God is pulling up. Let's see. That's not even on. I was looking at it 30. Man, before you guys call my attention to God, let us break this resistance or break this low. If we don't break any of this, don't call my attention to God.
The candle's blue. It's flying. It's flying, man.
Let me watch GJ. GJ is right at the freaking very beautiful demand, and we bullish too. Let me watch GJ. Let me watch GJ. Okay? Shit, I might even check this thing on a 5 minute. Let me see. Oh, nah. Nope, not yet. Not yet. The only way I might use a 5 minute entry is if we come back, tap it again, and then form another minor resistance, and then I'll use the 5 minute. For now, stays at a 15. Man, you're going all the way back up to this, oh, that's all you guys want to target? If this rejects? Okay. Well, shit. Let me get my 1-to-1. Give me 1-to-1, I'm good. Yeah, but not yet. Not yet. We have signs of rejection, but we do not have the confirmation we need yet. So, still waiting. We had a 30-minute demand right now. I think it's also, that's also 15-minute. Yeah. Doesn't look clean on the 15, but looks clean on the 4, 1, and of course the 30-minute. So I'm not really using the 15-minute, I'm using the 4 hour, 1 hour, and the 30-minute demand. Is V-Man here? He sure is quiet today.
Hey King, I hear you're on full force today. I'm happy with your energy, it's good.
You come in silently.
Yeah, man, I know you've got lots to read on YouTube and Zoom and all of those things, and you must stay calm at the same time. So I don't want to bother you.
All right. Yes, Max, it's also for our demand. Yes, Jay. Come on, guys, man, we need 53 more likes here to get to 100. 53 more likes. Let's get it, guys. We'll see how this candle is gonna close. Are we gonna close doji? Are we gonna close bearish? Or are we gonna close bullish?
But what I like about this setup is that this candle is tapping around where it will normally turn after a major retest. You know, so if it goes up, it could really be very good for us. It could go far.
It could.
Yeah.
With
I'm not gonna use the name that killed a bit. Doesn't want to hear. You know the Fibonacci name. But according to that, that's an area where you will expect a reversal.
Yeah, but we're still gonna need volume though.
We'll need volume, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. So it's a very promising setup. Or should we call it high probability?
Yeah. Gbpjpy said all strategies matter. Yeah, you're actually right.
I think it's softening a bit now, isn't it?
Yep, you just can't win using them all at once.
What is the big word? Confluence?
Confluence?
Man, I don't believe in using multiple strategies for confluence. Like one strategy can show you all the confluences you need.
That's similar to influencer.
You're just complicating things, trying to straight supply and demand, and then you add in, let's say, freaking Fibonacci to trading supply and demand. Like, what are you doing? You're complicating your stuff.
You see why I like to keep quiet, King, because I complicate things.
Max said zero strategy, trading strategy. If this candle closes bullish, you're gonna move entry below.
Bearish.
I mean bearish. Damn, I don't know why I do that. No, we're gonna move it down a little bit. Yep,
right
yep,
there.
yep, right there. Man. What, man? Wal already knows everything about my trading. In fact, well, let me hand over the mantle to you.
No thanks, man. You can handle YouTube.
It's time. It's time, Wal.
I love the stress-free life, sitting back here just talking shit.
You don't wanna be in my world?
Nah, I'm good.
You don't want everybody looking at you like, bruh, you caught that shitty ass trade. And you over here, you be like, man, thinking, man, should I call this trade? Oh man, what should I do? Man, man, stress. It's not easy to do this stuff, especially on freaking YouTube. Man, it's not easy. You need freaking courage. If you don't have the courage, man, you can't do this. Yep, I just moved it, Edwin. Oh well. Shit. We might break. Yeah, okay. That's it. Well, let's see if they're gonna grab liquidity below it. Just to fix sellers in. I mean below it, I said above it. They are good again. And how many pips has GJ dropped now? And 90 pips. Why is it? Oh, they said never mind. Okay. Yep, he does that too, Jay.
Okay, now we're good to go. it has tapped that area I was waiting for.
You spoke too soon. You see, this is why I don't use sniper entries or pending orders. I'm telling you, a lot of supply and demand traders was expecting us to push up from here. And you already have a freaking sniper entry and maybe a freaking buy limit sitting here. You might be losing this trade. That's why I don't use sniper entries or pending orders. When I tried using that, it just never worked for me. Now I'm not saying the people that are using that they're not making money. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is it didn't work for me. And that's one of the reasons why you see that this trader might be using this whatever style of trading, and then you try using it. Just because that trader is using that style does not mean that style is gonna work for you. Because at the end of the day, you also need time, you need focus, you need dedication. You need to give it some time. And it all depends on how that strategy resonates with you. Like, does that strategy feels vibey? Like, do you just simply love it? When you learning a strategy, and while you're learning that strategy, if you're not feeling like, man, this is it, I think this is the one. If you're not feeling like that, you've not found that strategy yet. You've not found it yet. You need to feel like, oh yes, I've arrived. This is the one. You need to feel like that. If you don't, you're not there yet.
Gbpjpy is in the buys on gold. He's a breakout trader.
He's in the buys?
Yep.
I mean, if he breaks, it should push up though, because at the end of the day, this is just a minor high. We already broke a major high. So.
Oh wait, no, he snipered it. He said he secured 20 BE.
Oh.
Okay, that's the Gbpjpy I know. Tell everybody after you're like 20 pips in profit.
Yep, he kept quiet all this time.
No. Wow, it was a 5 minute 20 pip candle. It was a 5 minute break.
Okay, definitely forget freaking anything called liquidity grab here, because it ain't happening no more. Damn, I thought I have some people that live in Houston and surrounding areas on YouTube. Where are they at? All right, previous resistance, we're there. This is it. I'm gonna see if we can get entry on the 5 minute. Oh, okay, shit, the same entry. Says that now we get a 30 pip stop loss. But we're gonna have to wait for this candle to close. Shape every 5 minutes, start pushing up and we cross this. And probably gonna check this on the 5.
Living my best life, and if it isn't, at least I gave it my best try. I'm just enjoying the moments cause ain't no next time. Trying to slide with my people on the west side. Yeah, moving different than all the rest, cause I'm about doing it different. New vision and no regrets. Man, I used to be a victim, repented of all my stress. Now excuse me, I'm just venting and getting it off my chest. Yeah, believing one day we all ball, but once you get a shot, just don't turn to a ball hog. Putting my team on, if I'm high, we all
Damn. Man, there's some aggressive selling.
I'm like, where are the buyers? They sleepy? Yeah, I had the test here earlier. Okay, I just gotta move it. Man, this 5 minute candle has to flip bullish, man. And if you close bearish, I'm moving entry up again. I mean down and
Down.
Damn. Man, we don't even have 100 likes yet. We still need 27. We might have tighter stops, Edwin. Just waiting for this candle to close. We might have 20 to 25. Right now it's steady. Okay. Entry here. $25. We'll have TP at 30. You're feeling sniper bias today? Yeah, the 15-minute looks bloody, yeah. And the new 15-minute just opened, so. Man, this thing has dropped at least 100 pips since that news. $20 more likes, guys, 20 more. No, I don't have a bias when I go into the market. I mean, I wouldn't say I don't have a bias. I do have a bias, but at the end of the day, I take a look at what the market is doing. Right? I take a look at what the market is doing, and I also pay attention to my high probability supply and demand zone, high probability support and resistance zones. I pay attention to those for possible rejection and continuation or pullbacks, if that makes sense. For example, GJ right now on the higher time frame, overall we are bullish, right? Now, since we are bullish overall on the higher time frame, but on the lower time frame we have a bearish momentum, right? What that bearish momentum simply means is it could be the start of a trend change, right? Or it could also be just that we have a bearish momentum on the lower time frame. Now, as a trader, what you now need to do is to look for your, in this case, GJ case, is to look for your high probability demand zones or your high probability resistance zones using the higher time frame. That is how you'll be able to catch that bullish continuation or a pullback. Right now, the way I trade, I don't even have a sell set up here. Even if I want to take a sell, GJ has not given me a sell setup. So all I have to work on now is to catch the buys. That's all I have to work on right now. I hope I'm making sense.
Man, this thing's not buying up at all.
It will eventually. The buyers are just not there. They're not there at all these zones. The rest, they're still sleeping. You're welcome. Yeah, this is not gonna hold. We should break this. Okay, let's use this 30 minutes. And then add 15-minute demand. Just right here. Man, if we come to this, either this freaking support here or this 15-minute demand and we don't hold, man, I'm done. I'm going to bed.
Man, look how aggressive this is.
I know, right?
All right, I'm gonna have to take a look at this news. What the hell happened?
It just freaking keeps dropping. This should hold. Like, this should hold. This demand or this weekend support has to hold. If it doesn't, I'm done. Because
at this rate, he's gonna start filling that wick.
It's like, dude, are you gonna come all the way freaking back to this support before you hold? That would be crazy.
Yeah, he's already filling that wick during that JPY intervention shit. Yeah, that candle right there is starting to fill it up.
Yeah. That will be crazy. Shit. There's no point using the freaking demand now.
Man, can you imagine if we caught those cells, that cell setup on GJ pre-London?
Yep, that one at the top, yep. That would have been beautiful. Even if we had caught it, like, I would have expected it to drop this much, like 150 pips. 150 freaking pips. Yeah, this one has to hold, man. You got sales from 187 supply zone, but you close early. I mean, at least you made money. You wish you trade stops. You got 24 pips, yeah, nice. Look, let me tell you something, guys. At the end of the day, no matter what your strategy is, no matter if you're using positive risk to reward or negative risk to reward, at the end of the day, what it comes down to is making money. That's what it comes down to. Are you making monthly, month to month, consistently? Did you start your account at 100K this year and you finished with 150 or 200K by the end of the year? At the end of the day, that's all that matters. That is all that matters. F what any freaking one is saying. You can, maybe you took a sale from here and then you got out here, just this one can do, and maybe you hear somebody say stuff like, man, you should have freaking held it, or you should have freaking trailed your stops. Like, just leave me the hell alone. Like, because what another thing you need to understand is that leaving the trade to run like this has to do with up here. That's what it boils down to. Now, and that's one of the reasons why there are a lot of traders that are still not profitable. Because you see this trader leaving his trade to run this much, and you decided to do the same thing. Just because he's doing that and it's working for him does not mean if you do that same thing, it's going to work for you. Because at the end of the day, it boils down to this: your brain, your mind, your psychology. Some people's psychology, they just can't hold trade this long. Their psychology is make some money, boom, I'm out. That is their psychology. And if they're doing that, 9 out of 10 times it's going to work for them. because that's what their psychology can handle. They're not going to be stressed. But if your psychology can catch all this, even though you're not going to get stuff like this all the time, but at the end of the day, if your psychology can catch all this, then hey, by all means, go for it. At the end of the day, it's not trading, it's more than one way, two way, 3, 4, 5, even 10 ways to freaking make money in trading. So it's not one way that, oh, this is the only way you make money with trading. If that's your mentality and you're still struggling, hey, that's one of the reasons why you're struggling right there. Oh man, GJ. Hey, you who can hold it to it? Yeah, there you go. That's how it is, man. Do what you're comfortable with. Do what your brain, your mind, what it can handle. And that's why I always say that, look, what in trading, what people need to focus more on is psychology, not trading. Trading is simple. It's not hard at all. It's not. If you really focus, you can learn how to trade in freaking 6 months to 1 year. You can do it. You can do it. It's a psychology that freaking takes time. Because it's not just one thing you have to work on, and the freaking hard stuff. Something that you already like, you too comfortable with. Now you have to freaking work on getting out of your comfort zone to make sure you actually become a profitable trader consistently. And so I always say, hey man, you need to work on your psychology at the same time while you're still learning how to trade. You need to, so that you're not going to prolong your journey. And if you can only focus on one, then do that too, but try as much as possible to work on both of them. You can have a good strategy and have a freaking bad psychology. Because of your bad psychology, you're not going to be profitable. You need to have your psychology in check. I think that was a 15-minute. That was 30 minutes. See if I'm looking like. Okay. I think this is it, guys. I think this is it. Good morning. No, I'm not in GJ yet. It's not just all about you getting comfortable with your strategy. It's more than that. It has to do with your it has to do with your patience. It has to do with your greed. It has to do with your emotions, FOMO, and stuff like that. Because some of us, by nature, we're just impatient. Some of us, by nature, we're not disciplined. Some of us, by nature, we're too emotional.
King, are you still on a 30 SL?
Yes. So if you know who you are, it is also going to help you be able to put all these stuffs in check. If you're greedy by nature, you know yourself, hey, I'm greedy by nature. The market will let you know. I don't care if your freaking strategy is 100% win rate. It's going to be hard for you to freaking become profitable consistently. If you're not disciplined by nature, hey, this market will let you know. If you're impatient by nature, this market will let you know. All this stuff, I mentioned it in my, latest video I uploaded when I talked about psychology, but hey, nobody watches it. People would rather watch a freaking trader talking about, hey, this is how you can become profitable in 30 days. Like, bro, what the fuck? You and I know that's a freaking lie from the pit of hell. You will not be profitable in freaking 30 days. Just for the sake of making a video and freaking pulling in freaking people that are going to freaking pay for your course or your mentorship, whatever. So you're freaking gonna lie. And the sad part is they freaking believe in it, because if you not believe in it, you're not gonna be, you won't watch a video like that. 30 days, man, shit, sign me up. But I know it's a lie. When I see stuff like that on YouTube, man, I just smile. At the same time, I be mad as hell. And if you say something, they'll say, oh, nope, you're just hating. But I'm not gonna put it on in public, but anyone that watches me or you're part of my program, I'm gonna give it to you straight as it is. Can either take it or leave it. Gold pumping, man, I swear, if I look at gold and gold is not doing anything, Jan, I'm gonna put you on timeout. Okay.
Broken up.
You're safe, Jan. You're safe. You're safe. I'll give you a pass. Well, I guess we gotta work GJ and gold now. Oh, let me put oh well, never mind. It's still falling. Man. Hold on, what was this news again? I need to see. Retail sales.
Yeah, it's like not even that crazy. It's
Yeah.
bad, but, you know.
It's sort of like negative. I mean, I guess that is a lot to 2%. Yeah, and if you look at the previous number too, oh yeah, it is bad.
Not the craziest
That's 2% too. Man, 2%
It's like
is
minus 1.1 and then it's minus 0.3 now.
in the finance world. 2% is a lot. What are we looking like on the 15? Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Edwin and Kill the Beat are mentioning. Yeah, it could be like Japan related as well. On top of that, double bad.
Yeah, it could be that too. It's facts. This 30-minute close above is high, so I'm gonna just use this 30-minute. So we'll take entry and the 5. Let's add this 5-minute there too. Okie dokie. Yep, since we got a manual resistance here, we're gonna have to use the 15-minute time frame for entry after all. I like this candle to close bearish though. And of course, if it starts flipping, hey, we'll take it too. Stop loss is still 30. You got 25 pips and go to connect. Nice. It's got a very, very tiny bottom wick, but if it has a steeper wick, that's even better. But I do like how this 15-minute candle closed though. You're gonna leave it for 1 to 2. So 1 to 1, 1 2. Looking at the 5-minute. This trade is impossible. 3 ways to reward. You saw that 90 pips, you're like, oh snap. Yeah, it's because of this minor resistance here. If not, I would have taken it. That's why I'm using the 15-minute as entry. If not, I would use the 5-minute. No, it dropped more than 90 pips. We looked at it earlier. Last time we looked, it was 150. $167. So let's just say 160. It dropped 160 pips. You say 5 minute 185.60 is confirmation for a buy. I got an entry at 185.616 here on TradingView. On the 5 though, now on the 5, if we didn't have this minor resistance, I would have taken a 185.474. Yeah, so I would have been in right now. But because of this minor resistance here, I'm not gonna use the 5. I will be using the 15 because that's also the break of this 5 minute minor resistance. But nope, I didn't have a buy stop. I will be getting it manually. How you doing, CJ Forex Twitter? Do I remember you? I don't know. You remember him, Gbpjpy? Who was he? I don't remember him. Oh,
is that the ICT guy talking shit? Oh yeah.
Oh, I can't remember.
I think he was the guy who you were like, he was talking shit to you, and then you said, all right, let's do a account challenge. Like I'll put 500. Let's see who can grow it, whatever.
Oh, that dude. Oh. Gbpjpy didn't ever waste time. Gbpjpy already deleted these messages.
Bravo, my man.
Man, Gbpjpy was on it. Damn, you got good memory, Gbpjpy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the trader was even talking about we won, but said he already left.
Oh yeah, we won it too. Yeah.
Yeah, because I remember I was going off like, where's CJ?
He was quiet at that point.
Yeah, he was nowhere to be found. But man, if we had lost that trade, woo, it would have been going on and on. Do I use breakup blocks? Man, I don't even know what that is. Breakup blocks. Are we talking about the car here? Or are we talking about trading?
You know that's gotta be ICT, right? Breakout block, order block.
I have no idea what breakup blocks is. And I don't need it.
How come no one ever talks about anything else other than ICT stuff?
Well,
Like, I
what
never hear people talking about, like supply demand, Fibonacci, or whatever,
Only
It's always,
ICT.
fair value gap, order block,
But wait a minute.
freaking silver bullet.
Wait a minute. Where's the silver, the bullet, and the block? Where is it on the chart? Where are all those? I don't see any silver. I don't see any block. I don't see any bullet. Where? I don't see it. Do you guys see any silver, bullet, or block on the chart? Because I don't. I forgot Enigma. Huh? I don't know what that means, John. Nope, Mohammed. I think I responded to you. We've not taken any trades yet. That's what the man in black told ICT about. Who's the man in black?
Jesus, now we're gonna be talking about like Galaxy Defenders. Will Smith saving the universe.
Oh, he's talking about the movie Man in Black? Oh, okay. What? Breakup block is a break and weakness of other block. The only traders ICT can fool is freaking beginners. They can't fool me. I admire what he has been able to do, but the way he did it, and that's what I do not support. Because he just made this freaking shit more complicated. That's all he did. Came up with all these freaking random names, and where you could have just called it what it is. People like something cool. So when you hear other blog, you like, man, other blog? Shit, all I know is support and resistance. What the hell is other blog? Man, this must be the whale. Man, let me join this mentorship. Oh man, let me get this course. And then when you get it, after some time, the more experience you get, you understand, like, what, man, this stuff is nothing but freaking support or freaking resistance or freaking simple break and retest. I don't know. Some people are saying he doesn't know how to trade. He's just a good teacher. I don't know.
Man, I want to know why is it called the fair value gap? Like, why is it not just called a gap or a single print, which is what some people call it, a single print candle, you know?
Clean candles.
Yeah. It's like, what's fair value about it?
I don't know. I guess we need to ask ICT himself or ICT's traders. But it does sound cool. And that's what people go for. Gbpjpy said it's fair because the candle is humble. That's a good one. Another definition, because the market is filling it at a fair price where impulse happens and people want to enter. Man, I have to go use the restroom, man, but man, I'm trying to wait for us to get in this trade before I do. So this candle needs to hurry up. VG, aka imbalance.
They're the same? What the fuck?
Yeah.
So first it's fair value, but now it's imbalanced. That doesn't even make fucking sense. It fucking contradicts itself.
I mean, technically. I guess literally, you're here trading and your boss is waiting for you at the office. Oh boy. Man. Well, go work. Or you can just tell your boss, I sack you. You're fired. Man, I just read this comment. Alexander says FVG is not fair at all when it's pumping like crazy. You learned that it's allegedly where big investors mitigate their positions. Well, according to ICT, I guess ICT, he always sits down with the big players in the market, so he knows where the big investors are doing that.
I think the way to explain it, King, the fair value gap. Let's say you are in an auction and you're looking to buy a car, and the car is worth, you think it's worth $10,000. So you are willing to bid $10,000. And many people who are around are also willing to pay around $10,000. But just one customer comes and bid $20,000. You know, so then there's going to be a big gap in the market.
I mean, why can't we just make it simple, like gaps, clink out those aggressive selling, aggressive buying, impulsive selling, impulsive buying? Why can't we just call it those? It's simple.
But why it becomes a fair value gap? It means now that one customer has bought at $20,000 instead of 10, where the market thought that's where the fair price was. Then a lot of let's go in first. A lot of customers are still waiting for the price to come back. You see.
Let's get in first before YouTube start to cost you. I mean,
you understand that a lot of customers will still be waiting.
I understand that we need to focus on this trade right now.
No, the trade is going up. Look at the fair value gap.
Look at man. Build that fucking fair value gap.
If I want an insight about it, nope. No, I don't. Let me tell you something else too, guys. Once you found a strategy and that strategy is working out for you, you don't need nothing else. Keep using that, because the more you keep using it, the better you're gonna get at it. The more you keep using it, the better you're gonna get. I don't watch Forex videos anymore. The only videos I watch is live stream videos, and it's just to show my support. That's it. I'm not there to like take the trades that they call, because I trade on my own. I have my own channel. I have my own mentorship community. So, well, what else am I looking for? try as much as possible to at least back test once a week, and it's not for any other reason but for me to be able to be better, you know. That's the only reason why I back test. Like, to be able to find out, okay, what can I do better? How can I get better at this? It was just perfect. Whoa, what's my SL on GJ? Oh, let me put that on there. Alright, that's the SL. After using support and resistance for 3 months in demo, you're profitable. Should you move to live account? You should have started with a live account in the first place. But yeah, it's time, move to a live account. But start off with what you can afford to lose, especially if this is your first live account. Start with what you can afford to lose and see what you can do with that. If you're doing good, then you can deposit more money. I'm good writing. And you? Yep, that's my final TP. That is my final TP. Because now you can see, because you guys have always wanted to see what King Abe be making and losing, because you guys are nosy. So there's no one that lives in Houston in the chat or surrounding areas. You welcome Vista Moments.
So now it's gonna be a strategy going up, and buyers are gathering their image.
Oh, you are sugar line, Obi. Okay. You pretty close. Is 14 pips per firm good? I don't know. Do your research. Or just go to Trustpilot and take a look at it. See what their reviews is looking like. If they have Discord, join the Discord. See if they have from small to big payouts. Check their leaderboard. What's their leaderboard looking like? So do your research. Yeah, Obikano should have a Houston meetup. Probably gonna do that next year because I need at least 100 people there. But Dr. Dollar, I'm pretty sure some of you know who he is. He lives in Houston as well. I think probably Katy or Richmond area. I'm not sure. But he's having a meetup, so I'll be there. I'll be there as well. He asked me to come, so I'm letting you guys know. If you're in Houston and you want to meet me as well, I'll be at Dr. Dollar's Houston meetup. I do not have the location yet because he doesn't have one yet. So once he lets me know, I'll let you guys know as well. Those of you that live in Houston or surrounding areas, or even if you don't live in Houston, if you want to pull up, hey, you can if you want to.
Man, you might want to keep that information private. Get some weirdos showing up there.
Well, remember, this is Texas.
What's that mean?
Gone.
Guns?
Mm-hmm. Hey, I'm just saying.
No, the Americans with their guns, I tell you, they don't waste time.
You do any funny
Man.
business, hey, it's gonna be self-defense case.
Exactly, Edwin. King's got two huge guns. Left and right.
America is a funny place. I saw a guy I think in a march in 2020. You know, he came with a machine gun while people are protesting, and then he just shot people. Shot people. I think he killed one and injured two, and then won a case on self-defense. But he came with a machine gun in a protest. You
know all those, like I was watching a video on Instagram and this happened in Nigeria actually, which is my country. Sad. Anyways, So the economic, it's called EFCC. They're in charge of like fraudulent stuff, right? They freaking jumped over the fence, like, right? They jumped over the fence to go and arrest someone. I'm like, man, do that shit here. I'm killing all of you, and I will win. It doesn't matter if you're freaking police, FBI, does not freaking matter. You have no right to come to my house like that. That's trespass. So I have a right to freaking gun you down. Some of the stuff they be doing over there is like, you can't do that shit here. The video was annoying. Even if that person is a criminal, you have to do stuff legally. Is it like that in South Africa too, really?
We are not big on guns here.
No. Like, you know, when law enforcement officers, when they go into someone's house, they have to do it the right way.
I think there's a little bit more.
The only exception I think is when it's like a high criminal.
Yeah. I mean, if they know up front that you are armed, then of course things can get really bad.
Yeah.
But in most cases, if they don't expect you to be armed, unlike in the US, you know, they just break your door while you are asleep.
No, if that's what I said. If it's like a high profile case, then they will do that. Like a freaking murder case, like this somebody just killing people everywhere. Then once they have like a location, they'll just freaking break your door. It's a high profile case. So there are some exceptions. Man, if you're a criminal, once you see SWAT coming, man, just run. Just run. I saw one. I was living at this apartment. I used to live in California. Oh my God. When I was living in California, it was as if I was watching a freaking movie. It was insane. Those SWATs, they don't play.
But now I'm thinking about it, maybe our police are just too soft, and that's why we have so much crime.
Oh yeah, they're soft. They're soft and they're freaking greedy. It's like that too in Nigeria. At least freaking 10 years ago, that was how it was. I don't know how it is now. In South Africa, it depends on the situation and the suspect and the subject. Yeah, the same thing here. Uno effects, I agree to some degree. Is like, it depends on the case though. It depends on the case. Oh, they still do that in Nigeria, Dre? Because that video I saw about the EFCC stuff, I think that video is like 3 years ago. just go here now. This candle was just looking good. Oh, can't see it. That's Dr. Dollar also mentioned it about girls being available. Yeah, it's Texas for you. And even for this resistance, I have that is entry lower. Ooh, damn, that's 27 pips.
Goddamn DJ.
If we don't hold here, then there's a issue. Can you enter? I mean, you can if you want to. We're already in it. Yes, we in buys, Patrick. No, I see markets, no, they don't accept US clients. You guys remember, some of you keep asking about this boot camp and you're not even taking action, so I don't even know why you're asking. But anyways, it's happening tomorrow and Sunday. So today is the last day to secure your spot if you're interested in it. Without the promotion, it's just $200. With the promotion, it is what it is on the website. So if the price is an issue, then just DM me on Instagram and I'll send you a different link if you don't want the promotion. So if you don't want the promotion, just send me a DM on Instagram and I'll send you a different link after the stream. TP is not clear. Oh, hold on. You bought a bed with your Forex money, you're sleeping well. That's nice. Oh, man. Oh, there you go. Anyone who uses Pepperstone, I don't know. I know, I know why, man. Yes, Gbpjpy.
Oh, GJ, why can't you just go up?
How many spots left? Just 5. If you're asking about the boot camp, yeah, just 5. Can I can I take a look at gold? Nah. Even though, so if you want to risk it, because we created a 5-minute support zone here. If it breaks this high, it could continue. Actually, it should continue if we break this high. So you can take it if you want, or you can stay away. Because if I was going to take gold, I was expecting it to come back to this, any of this demand here for me to take the buys. But we created a 5-minute minor support here. If we start breaking the high, I mean, there's no reason why we shouldn't continue. We already broke above this lower time frame major high here. So if we break this high, I mean, we should continue towards the higher time frame major highs. But me personally, if I'm still looking to trade gold, I'm still gonna wait because it's not really retesting nothing to the left. So because of that, I'm still gonna be waiting for something like this. As long as we break this high, I'm gonna keep this 5-minute support here. If we can come back down and retest it again, then I'll look to take the buys above. But right now, if I'm looking to take it, I'll personally stay away. Now, can it just continue pushing up? Yes, gold can do that. But this is the setup how we'll be waiting for. Like I said, simply because we're not retesting any zones here. We're really retesting any zones here to the left. Instead, I see a possible rejection of this 4-hour minor resistance to the left. So you gotta be careful. It's minor resistance, yeah. know how many freaking buyers GG already took their money? Like, should have went back up here, they didn't. Here they didn't. 4-hour demand, they didn't. 1, 2, 3, 3 times. But nope, DJ is not gonna do that to us. We're winning this one. We dropped 150 pips, yeah, 160 actually. This kind of closes in 2 minutes. We'll see what happens. How many pips am I planning to secure on my first? At least 12. And then I'll leave the rest to want to find out TP. If I don't get stopped out after that. But I feel like if we close, if this kind of closes bearish and we break above this minor resistance, we should get to that TP. There should be no more pullbacks after this if we break this minor resistance. I just wish the 5 minute didn't have this minor resistance here.
Man, this is sad. I was at 14 pips just a while ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Damn. I was at
Easy come, easy go.
I think I was at like 9 or 10, I think.
You will never cease to be beside me, constant, not dependent on what I see, and I can always trust you know what I need, and now I know that I can trust you rightly, and you came through the sky like you opened blind eyes, so I'm keeping you right, no more looking behind. You are good, you are kind, you can have all my life, I'm yours, you are mine.
It's the volume and also the amount of buyers we have right now. So we need more buyers. Yeah, after the 5 minute minor break, yeah, should continue. When you have a trade, when you have an entry in like the 15 or 30 minute and you switch to like the 5 minute time frame, it would just look as if you had a freaking late entry. That's what this 15-minute entry looks like. So if you're watching this, where they be like, what the hell? Really? You took the trade all the way up there? Well, nope. I took it on the 15. Yeah, even on the 5 minute, this entry we have here, the 15-minute, is a more, what's the right word to use? Conservative entry. Yeah.
Oh, there's a nice entry if you look at the 3 minute. Look at the 3 minute, there's a real nice entry.
Oh yeah, like about somewhere here.
Yeah. Like probably just above there because it broke out, bearish candle, retested, flip bullish.
Yeah, but then you still had this minor resistance.
Yeah.
Yeah, we would have used the 5 if not for this minor resistance.
But hey, it's still good. 15-minute entry should be good.
Yeah. I do like the fact that we now have a minor resistance here, because like I said, if we should break it, like this thing should have pulled back again. This TP should at least get smashed before we freaking have another pullback. One minute is best. Oh, nope, count me out. No 1 minute trade for me. From 1700, I think I saw 1700. From $1,700 to negative. Can you imagine?
I know, right?
Every man took another entry. V-Man is like, well, this trade looks good. Full margin, baby, let's go.
You taught him well, Abe.
Nope, I didn't teach him that one.
Taught him well.
Nope, I didn't teach him full margin.
Just keep pressing the button. Just keep pressing the button. Why isn't it going in?
Why didn't we take partials? We didn't even get 12, not to talk of 15. So if we do not get at least 12, there's no taking partials. There's no taking partials, there's no securing. I'm not gonna freaking sit here for freaking 2+ hours to get in a trade, and then I'm only trying to catch 5 pips. Nope. I don't catch 5 pips. I catch at least 12 on GJ during London, then at least 15 on with gold during London session if I trade gold. And New York, I'm catching at least 20. It's either I get 20 pips or nothing. The person who always talks in the background makes the live stream fun. W to him. Wow. There you go. Keep talking. Wow. Keep going. Don't stop.
God damn, I got a fan finally. Yes. Take that, Edwin.
Oh no, they're probably talking about V-Man, not you.
Oh, god damn it. I'm here every day. No love. God. Why?
Shout out to you, Will.
Thank you.
No.
The pity shout out.
No, it's definitely you. You talk more than everyone else, even more than I do. Yeah. That's why YouTube doesn't like me. YouTube wants you to talk, engage. But hey, I don't talk too much. Are you here to trade, to make some money and lose some money with me? Or you
I don't know about the last part.
Or you here to talk? Hey, look, I'm just saying, if you're here to only make money with me, man, you're not loyal. You gotta work with me all the way. Good times, bad times. All the way.
King,
Hmm?
and where is that song, Fire in the Mountain? I think it's time for that song.
Unfortunately, I can't play it here on YouTube.
There is a fire in the mountain.
No, but we'll play it though in New York.
With that vodka, I ain't gotta call ya. I'ma pull up on ya. Wake up every morning and I'm feeling like I saw ya. Go to sleep and I'm like, baby, let me put it on ya.
All right.
I'm ready to get to you.
You got it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Ready to get to you.
Yep. I didn't get it yet. Well, if you've got if you've got 12 or 15 already, hey, take your partials or close one position if you took multiple, and move your SL to BE. I'm still waiting. You're welcome, Manish. Hey, I know some of you probably start leaving now. Let me make money too before you leave. So wait. Don't leave. Hey, I'm just saying. As once they make money, they gone, they disappear.
King has done his job. Mr. Delivery.
They don't even wait to see if the trade is going to hit TP or not.
Damn, I thought this thing was gonna absolutely fly once it broke those highs.
Man, I'm telling you. LG live short video. Well, thank you for waiting.
Oh, I am. I'm BE already.
Oh yeah, while already secure 15.
Yeah.
I'm getting close though. Oh man, he just... Oh. It was just right there.
You've got a 2 pip spread on TJ King.
No, it's less than 2 actually. I got it.
Nice.
Now you can leave if you want to leave. No, don't leave yet. I'm just messing with you guys. At least hang around to see if we're gonna hit TP. Let's see this trade through together. To the end. How many lots do I have on this? I got 20 on it. I took half. might secure 12, not 15.
Oh, what am I on now? I'm on 19.
Meanwhile, you need to talk to Fusion Markets on my behalf.
Oh no, this is my extra position I added.
Oh. Oh, you had two
When it pulled back,
positions.
I was like, I'm gonna add a small half position more.
Oh, so you have two positions altogether.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was about to regret it when it came back down again. I was like,
Oh,
I fucked up.
you added it before that? Before the pullback?
No. So it went up, pulled back. I added a bit here. It came up and then came back down again. And I was like, oh, I fucked up. Shouldn't have tried something new. No, I can't tell you guys. This is the first time I've ever tried it. Shit. It looked bad at first. It's coming back down. I'm like, uh-oh.
Normally, you will wait to be in good profit so that both stops will be at the same place.
Sorry? What was that?
I'm saying normally you'll wait to be in good profits before you add up so that, you know, both stops could be at the same place if one stop subsidizes the other.
Oh, okay.
What's the sentiment on gold? I'm bullish on gold. Well, what I talked about earlier, well, gold might give it. Gold might give it. But we're not trading gold until New York session. Gold or NAS. Yeah, I got like, yeah, Brighton. I got like, I think 2 or 3 people from South Africa. Yeah, V-Man is from South Africa. What the hell? What happened to my freaking trading? Oh, there we go. You South African too, Professor X. Nice. There should be no more pullbacks from here on. Wow, did you see what Logan said?
What did he say? Let's see. Hey.
You're welcome, Kimali. I hope I pronounced your name right. You're bearish since the last 35 minutes. You bearish on what? Are you talking about gold or GJ? All right, Kimali. Yeah, what did I tell you guys? We went from about 280, right? People watching, down to 224.
Damn.
They're like, well, thank you. I'm out of here. You're on your own from here.
Don't worry, they'll be back. They'll be on Donbo's stream later or some shit.
Yep, of course.
But if you wait for TP here, you might get it in New York.
Yeah.
Nah, this thing should hit TP like
Yeah.
in the
That-
next, this candle or next.
Yeah, it doesn't happen to just me. All traders that stream, yeah, that's how it is. But when you lose, they wait to see if you're gonna take one or another trade. How you doing, Ariel?
King,
Yeah.
that bearish candle, which was followed by a bullish engulfing candle. Is that what they call? Is that what they call ICT silver bullet?
I have no idea what it is. I don't know.
Because I don't see any bullets there.
Yep, that's what I've been saying too. I don't see any bullets. Oh well. GG is tripping, guys. Well, I'm already stopped time, guys, because I moved my stops to profit. Wasn't expecting this freaking candle to come all the way down like that. Anyways, Zoom, I'll see you guys down in New York. YouTube, thank you guys for hopping on. All my links is down below, guys. Alright, all my links is down below in the description. The bootcamp happening this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. You can get it if you want. My live trading help / mentorship in the description as well. Aside from that, have a great weekend. And I'll see you guys again on Monday. On Monday, I'm going to be giving away 2 15K for the next challenges again as well on Monday. So I'll see you guys on Monday. Peace. I'm out of here.
Thanks, King.
Thanks, Abe. All right.
Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way.
Recording stop.
Up in a daydream, I be in my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place. See, cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I will run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we